Nyasa VoiceBox. Today we are diving deep into a critical issue that requires our collective attention and action: child marriages in Malawi. A recent BBC article brought to light the distressing story of Tamara, a 13-year-old girl who was sold into marriage at the tender age of 12 for a mere 15,000 Malawian kwacha. Sadly, this isn't an isolated incident. Over 40% of girls in rural Malawi are affected, despite the practice being illegal since 2017. Let's break down the facts and numbers. Child marriage affects not only girls but also boys. While 37.7% of girls marry before the age of 18 and 7% before the age of 15, there are also 7% of boys who are marrying before reaching adulthood. Education plays a crucial role, as 52% of the women married before 18 have minimal education. The socioeconomic implications are staggering. A 2017 study suggested that ending child marriage in Malawi could have boosted the women's earnings by 10%, contributing up to $167 in national productivity. Yet, the root causes persist and demand urgent efforts. So, what's driving up child marriages in Malawi? Gender inequality and beliefs play a significant role. Girls are considered to be inferior to boys. Poverty is another driving force, with half the population living below the national poverty line. Now, what is the government doing about it? Government has pledged to eliminate child marriages as well as early and forced marriage by 2030, aligning with Sustainable Development Goal 5.3. The National Strategy on Ending Child Marriages 2018 to 2023 and the Spotlight Initiative investing $28 million from 2019 to 2020 are crucial steps. Leaders like Chief Kajindamoto of Deta have also been very vocal, annulling over 2,500 child marriages. The government strategy aims to reduce child marriage prevalence by 20% in 2023. But the question remains, is this enough? Now, over to you. We would like to hear about you. What are your thoughts on child marriages in Malawi? Do you believe that the current efforts are enough, or is there more that can be done? Let's start the conversation in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in to Nyasa VoiceBox Bite-Size series, where we shed light on crucial issues that demand our attention and action. Goodbye.